In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use file requests in Dropbox. This handy feature allows you to collect and organize files from anyone right into your Dropbox account with ease and security. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Dropbox account on Dropbox.com. If you're not already signed in, head to the website, enter your credentials, and you're in. Once you're logged into your account, you'll notice a host of options on the left sidebar of your screen. Look for the option labeled File Requests and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Moving on, you'll see a New Request button within the File Requests area. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to create a new file request. You'll begin by giving your file request a title. Think of this as the name tag for your request. Something simple yet descriptive enough so that the recipient knows what kind of files you're collecting. Next, there's a space labeled Description where you can add any extra details about what you're requesting. This could be specifics about the type of files, any special instructions, or anything else you feel necessary to include. While it's optional, adding a description can be pretty helpful in clarifying expectations for the people sending you files. Once you've done that, you'll need to specify where the uploaded files should be stored. Dropbox will automatically create a default folder, but you do have the option to choose a different one. Click on Change Folder to select or create another folder that better fits your organization needs. Additionally, you can click Set Naming Conventions if you want to set an automated naming structure for any files that arrive this way. This helps keep everything tidy and easy to sort through later on. For those on Dropbox Professional, Essentials, Business, and other advanced plans, there's a convenient feature to set a deadline. Here, you can determine a specific date and time by which files need to be submitted. Plus, you have the option to allow late uploads. It's a great tool for keeping projects on track and ensuring timely submissions. And if security is a top priority, especially when dealing with sensitive files, you can add a password to your file request. Simply share this password with your recipient to ensure only the intended parties can upload their files. It's an optional step, but one worth considering for added protection. Finally, with everything set up to your liking, it's time to bring your file request to life. Click the Create button, and voila, your file request is ready to be sent out. You can now share the generated link with others, inviting them to upload their files directly into the folder you've specified. That's all there is to it. Whether you're gathering photos from a team, documents from clients, or anything in between, Dropbox file requests make the process simple and organized. Thanks for watching and happy file collecting.